Hi everyone, I'm Ebony and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to achieve this style. I'm a new mom of twins and I'm always working with limited time. Most of the time I can't do my hair at all because I'm so busy. So I love protective styling and also protective styling that I can achieve with limited time. It's time for me to leave the house, and as always, my hair looks like this. I really don't have a lot of time, and I need to come up with something that is going to be quick and cute. So the first thing I'm doing is creating a deep side part. I know that I'm not working with a lot of time, and plus I also have my babies to care for, so I have to make this happen very quickly. So I make a deep side part, and I'm preparing to do 2 cornrows. This is one of my go-to styles because it's so simple, and in my opinion you can really dress it up or dress it down depending on your style for the day. So after I make my part, I go ahead and I separate each section, and then I'm just grabbing some styling gel and I'll be applying that to my edges as well as the part, and I'm going to brush my hair down neatly in the direction of my cornrows. Now that I'm satisfied with my part and I've brushed my hair, it's time to create my cornrow. So I'm taking 3 equal sections of hair to begin my braid. This is very simple. There's not any special technique that I'm using here. The only thing that I'll say is that I am making sure that I'm braiding very loosely. 1, because I don't want to put too much tension on my hair, and 2, because I love for this style to have a fuller braid. As I'm braiding, I'm pulling more hair from the back to add into the braid. If you are recreating this look, you do want to make sure you take that step. Otherwise, at the end, you'll be missing some hair and the center of your hair can kind of puff up a bit. Continue braiding my hair down to the tip, then I'll be repeating the same thing on the other side. I'm following the same steps to create the next braid. I'm just applying some styling gel, then I'll be brushing down my hair, then it's time to start braiding. If you're new to my channel and you like this video, please subscribe and also hit the like button. I'm just taking a comb and going over my edges. If you notice a white residue, that is from the styling product and it will eventually dry. My braids are in. I'm just going to take a hairpin and secure them in place. Here's the final look. Please let me know what you think about this style down in the comment section below, and also let me know if this is a style you might try. I'm telling you guys, since becoming a mom, I literally have no time, and I'm often getting dressed at the last minute and realizing I need to do something to my hair. This style is great because it doesn't require a lot of planning. You don't need a lot of products. Everything that you need to achieve this look you probably already have at home. All you need is some hairpins, styling gel, a brush, and to know how to cornrow. This style has literally saved me from walking around looking just completely crazy. I'm joking, y'all, but seriously, adjusting to motherhood is a lot of work, and sometimes we just don't have time to do our hair. So I'm always looking for something simple and cute. Let me know if you're going to try this. All right, bye.